So there you go, guys. Can you demonstrate how to use the snorkel machine? So he's gonna show the customer how to use it. Just put the ice right here. So that's to crush it. Crush it like that. That's it. So the ice falls down right here, right? And then they got the little spoon right here. They just pick it up, put it on the cup right there, and the juice is right there. Yeah. Okay. It's cool. They got the ice right there on the cooler. So then they got the tent right here. Nice, pretty nice tent with the tables. They also got a water slide, but that's not ours. Also that's not ours. And they also hired someone to do the decoration. It came out pretty. That's pretty cool. So it's for what you call it, a baptism. Our kid, the little kid, just got baptized, so they're gonna celebrate. And they got the tables. The party ain't started yet, but they got a nice little tent. All right, that's it, guys. We're gonna roll out. All right. And she didn't give me the pan back, right? Did she give me the contract? What, the contract? Go get the contract. I forgot to go get the contract, guys. We live in the contract over there in the back. We messing up already. He's gonna go pick up the. Hey, make sure you get the pan too. That's my favorite pan. All right. I'm using my dad's phone. It's a pretty cool phone. Better than my phone. All right, that's a nice tent. I'm gonna give me a tent like that so I can start renting out tents like that. Cause the one I got, the 10 by 20, it's garbage, guys. The pop-out tent I have, that's garbage. This one right here is nice. They did a nice reel. They did a pretty good job. They even got the big stakes right there. You can tell they got the big stakes. All right.